Johnson Sakaja mar duond bura mar UDA ema oyiera kaka gavana ma kaonti ma Nairobi. E duoko mane olanda kawuono, Sakaja noyombo kod ombulu maromo 699,392 ka Polycarp Igathe ne oluwe e thuolo mar ariyo kod ombulu 573,518. An Kagure mane ochunga kar kende to ne orem e thuolo mar adek kod ombulu 10,086. Akauchiwo ote mokwongo bang' loch mare, Sakaja ne osingo duoko chenro duto mag kaonti e apisi mag kaonti. Chenro makamago itayo e kindegi kod Nairobi Metropolitan Services e bwo Director General Mano Mohamed Badi. Sakaja no yiera bang' loyo lwenje mag oboke mag somo manerika thiche oko e ng'welaro kom gavana e kaonti ma Nairobi.
Sakaja of passport number A1627553 has been duly elected as the county governor for Nairobi City County in the election held on 9th day of August 2022. The county returning officer signature dated this 14th day of August 2022. Congratulations.
I want to thank God for this day and for this journey. I want to thank the people of Nairobi for believing in me and giving me this mandate and this task of serving them as governor of Nairobi. I want to thank my family for allowing me to go through this process. Of course, my deputy governor, my good friend, Njoroge Mushiri, a man whose capacity I believe in, I trust, and I want to tell the people of Nairobi, you're in safe hands with Njoroge Mushiri as my deputy and with myself as governor of Nairobi. Yes, siku zote. And the millions of Nairobians. The result of this election speaks volumes about our country. In the last election, Bonasiaro, I had 840,000. There were 1.7 million voters. In this election, there have been more voters, but a lower turnout. This country is yearning for leadership. And this country is yearning for inspirational leadership. That is a task before us, because this time, the turnout has been much lower.